My name is Willie Benedetti, owner of Willie Bird Turkeys in Sonoma, California. I've been raising turkeys since 1963, and the video you're about to see is about our turkey operation. When the baby turkeys first come in, we put them in these pens here, keep them close proximity for the first 5 days where they got feed and water real close. And from here, they stay in here for approximately 6 weeks, and then from there we move them out to the range pens. This house will house about 7,500 turkeys. Willie Bird's coming out of Fresno here, delivered this morning here about 11 o'clock. Putting them out in the turkey house. These are the baby turkeys that'll be going in these pans here. There's 100 to a box. They're just 24 hours old. These are all Tom poults. That's what they call baby turkeys, is a poult. These are the Thanksgiving turkeys we put down here today. About 600 to a pen. 100 comes in a box. This is the second stage of our turkey process, where we move them out of the brooder house, which was our first stage, where we keep them under stoves. Now we got them out here in this big house where they can come in and eat and drink inside this building. And you can see out there, we've got a lot of room to roam outside, and they'll be in here till they're ready for market. This is the feed right here that they get. We give them corn and soybean and vitamins, and so all these birds behind us all be for Thanksgiving. Most of them all go for Thanksgiving. Yeah, in this house here we have about 4,000 turkeys. They'll be in here for the next 12 weeks. This is the third and final stage of the growth process here with the turkeys, where we move them out of the brooder houses. From the brooder houses, we move them out into all these open fields out here. And now we're getting ready to harvest them. They'll all be going to market here in the next few days before Thanksgiving. And the way to tell these turkeys are Willie Bird turkeys is say, Willie Bird! Ready to ship them. We put them into smaller pans, right? Like hammers for shipping. And you can see in the background, they're bringing a flock in now to move in with a bigger bunch. Tonight we're loading turkeys at the Petaluma Ranch. This is our loading crew. We put about 7-8 turkeys per hole. We bring the turkeys down to small bunches so not to scratch them up or bruise them. This is Luis, bringing the turkeys down to small bunches. We corral the turkeys in the building so it makes it easier for them to be loaded. It takes us about 5 or 6 hours to get this done. Turkeys load easier during the day, but once it gets dark, it gets tougher. So we then use lights to make it easier to drive the turkeys to the loader. This is our Willie Bird smoking plant here down in Shelbyville. This is where after the turkeys are processed down in Turlock, we bring them here and we cut them up into roast turkey breasts, smoked turkey breasts, honey pepper smoked turkey breasts. We do the whole body turkey smoked, whole body smoked chickens, and we make turkey bacon here. We make our turkey sausages, chicken sausages, and we'll go inside here now. We'll let you have a look at our smoking facility. Here we are. We're in the cooler room here where all this product in here is going to be cooked in the next day or so. Anyway, we got our whole body turkeys here. We got our honey pepper turkey breast here. We got rolled duck breast here, boneless. Turkey tails. We got more honey pepper turkey breast. And we got our regular turkey breast down here that's going to be netted on Monday. Let it set for a couple days. We got another batch of turkey breast over here. More turkeys to be processed. They got to be netted. And we run this room about 32 degrees. Here we are in our bagging room downstairs. These are the smoked turkeys that just come out of the smoker here. And we'll be bagging them here this morning. And then moving on to more smoked turkeys. We'll get a shot in the cool room here of some more, maybe some turkey breasts. And this is where we do all the packaging with the turkey bacon, cryovac, chickens, ducks, all of our smoke line of poultry products. This is our cool down room. We've got to bring it down below 50 degrees here in so many hours. This is our turkey bacon, sliced on Monday. This is our turkey pastrami. That'll be packaged out whole. And then we have a bunch of more whole body smoked turkeys over here in the background. This is Roberto here. He's unloading the turkey rack. He's just a beginner. Yeah. Anyway, I'm the number one. And Roberto's number one. And we put plastic on the back where the tail is so they don't puncture a hole when we vacuum pack. This is turkey bacon in the smokehouse. We use a sweet maple smoke on this, and it's one of our top sellers. 10 to 15,000 pounds a month. And we got some Cornish game hens in the back. We do a lot of specialty quail too, and guinea hen. Anything anybody wants, we'll smoke for them in the poultry line. This is our raw product room where we do all the cutting up and netting and making the sausage and doing the grinding of the turkey bacon. Doing our grinding with our injectors, and when we do our tumbling. Here's before you clean it up, you're done for the day. This is our grinder, here's the grinder. We got our sausage machine. We do 4 ounce, 6 ounce, whatever size sausage cases you want. Longer ones or shorter ones, or the little breakfast sausages that we make. This is our injector. It injects the brine into the turkey or the duck breast, chicken breast, chicken. They go through here. When we put them in these two couplers and put them under pressure with more brine in there, and it pushes it into the and the coupler makes a bind. better. Hold it better. 20 minutes of couple makes it hold together real good. That concludes our tour of the Willie Bird smoking plant down here in Shelbyville, California. California at the Willie Bird store in Santa Rosa. This is what our turkeys look like after they've been processed or harvested. We got our 10s here, our 12s, 14s, 16s, 18s, 20s, 30s, 26s, 24s. This is where the people locally come to pick them up. Shop here now, and these are all our products down here. We got oven roasted turkey breast, honey pepper turkey breast, hickory regular smoked turkey breast, no nitrate turkey breast, duck breast, smoked chickens, turkey bacon, turkey tails, turkey legs, smoked wings, turkey bacon parts, Cornish game hens, and the Willie Bird products, raw turkey roast, leg and thigh, and giblets. This ends our Willie Bird turkey video. We want to thank you for watching. If you're interested in any of our smoked products or our free-range turkey products, you can reach us on the web at williebird.com.